Okay, so from the previous video, we've seen that photosynthesis is when plants combine carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight to give us glucose and then oxygen as a waste product. Now let's see the word equation. The raw materials are carbon dioxide and water. Okay, carbon dioxide and water. There's something missing here. There should be sunlight on this arrow to indicate that it is happening in the presence of light. So here, carbon dioxide and water will be combined in the presence of light to give us glucose. This is the main product that the plant needs. And then oxygen will also be produced as a waste product. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight will give us glucose and oxygen as a waste product. Now let's see the chemical equation. CO2 is for carbon dioxide, H2O is water, then we get C6H12O6 to be our glucose, and then the O2 is our oxygen. Okay, so CO2 is carbon dioxide, H2O water, C6H12O6 glucose, and then oxygen. But this equation needs to be balanced. That is why we have these sixes in front of these three. Now initially we had carbon dioxide, CO2, but on the other side we have 6 carbons, so clearly we need to put 6 in front of this carbon here to give us 6 CO2s, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide. Now we had water, H2O, but in glucose there are 12 hydrogen atoms, so we need to put 6 in front of the H2 to give us 6 times 2, which will give us 12 hydrogens. And then for the oxygen, here we have 6, and then over here we have 2, so we needed to make the oxygen 18 because 6 times 2 will give us 12 here, 6 times 1 will give us 6. When you add 12 to 6, you get 18 oxygens. Now with that, over here we have 6 oxygen, so we needed to add 12. That was why we put this 6 in front of the water. So for the chemical and then word equations for photosynthesis, we have carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight giving us glucose and oxygen. With the chemical equation, we have 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O giving us C6H12O6 plus 6 O2 or 6 molecules of oxygen. This is a balanced chemical equation. 6 H12O6 is for glucose.